Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about conditional statement in C and how we can use this conditional statement to write our program. Okay, so let's move forward. So there are some few keywords. We use this keyword to run our program like if, else if, switch. Okay, so let's move to code editor and we'll see there. So there are some few keywords like if, else if, switch, if. So first of all, we'll see how to use this if. Is mainly used for checking the condition. Okay? Like let's say int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 10. So now to check whether a is equal to b or not, so we can use this if statement. If a is equal to b, print print a is equal to b. Okay, now it will check. Now we have used this if and it will check a is equal to b or not. Let's save it and run. First of all, clear it. Terminal. Okay. Okay, it is not printing anything because a, since a is not equal to b, and it will stop this. So our code will stop here itself. Okay, so let's change this b equal to 5, make it 5, save and run. See, it is now running properly since a is equal to b, and this if statement is running properly. Okay, so this is how we can use if. So let's move to else. Make it 8 and check else. So here now a is equal to b, sorry, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 8. Since a is not equal to b, so now the code, our compiler will go this statement, it will check a is equal to b, no, it is not equal to b. Else if a is not equal to b, so this statement, so this, the condition under this else will be printed. Printf a is not equal to b. Save and run. Okay, a is not equal to b. So this is how if and else if is used. Okay, got it. So let's move to next keyword, uh, one method how to use this else if. Okay, so let's else if now we need to write under this bracket, we need to write our condition. Else if a is greater than, if a is positive, okay, a is greater than 0 and a is greater than 0 and a is a modulus. So let's say divide by, okay, if a is greater than 0 and a modulus 2, a modulus 2, a modulus 2 is equal to 0. If it is even positive number, okay, usually is an even positive number. Okay, under this condition also we will use one more condition. So if a is greater than 0, if a is, a modulus 2 is equal to 0, means if it will check it is a even number or not. Now it will check even number. Okay, If it is even number, it will print even positive number. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, for I will remove this condition. I will remove. Okay, our code will run. Our code will come to this point if a is greater than 0. So it will check if a is a positive number. Now under this condition we will run if a modulus 2 equal to 0. If a is positive number, if even number, print mm, even print even number. Okay, even number, else 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 odd number, odd else odd number. Okay, so let's run our code and check. Okay, this running properly. See, this int a. So let's run one more time. Okay, it says it's an odd number. So this is how our else if else if uh, function is used. This keyword is used. So what we have done is, so first we have used if and check whether a is equal to b or not. So a is not equal to b, so the compiler will run. The compiler will go to this line. It will check else if a is greater than 0. Since a is greater than 0, a is a positive number, so it will come under this line, under this code, and it will check if a is modulo 2 is equal to 0 or not. A modulus 2 means its remainder 0 or not. That means uh, if it's if this num if a modulus 2 is 0, that means it is even number or it is not an even number. So it won't run this line, and since this statement is true, if a is not equal to a modulus 2 is not equal to 0, means it is not even number. It is not even number means it is odd number. So this line will run. This is how we use else if statement in C. So next we will move to switch statement. Okay, switch statement. So then we generally use switch statement and like let's say int we generally use this switch statement in like int a is equal to 1. Okay, and we'll see. Okay, int a is equal to 1 and switch. So this is how we will, for time being we will remove this and switch a. case 1 is printf, number is 1, number is 1. After that we can break case 2 number is 2, break. And case 3 number is 3, break. Default break number. Okay. Let's run this. Number is 1. Okay, so now how this switch statement is used. So we can use this switch statement, switch, and under this bracket, okay, it will give a value. Okay, value, and it will and on every step you have to use case and uh, and check the whether the number is 1. Okay, if number is 1, so this will be printed and it will break. After that it won't run this, after the program won't run after this line. Okay, so this is how it switch statement is used. So let's see one more example. mm, Int num, int num. So enter the number. Okay, enter the number. Enter the number. Enter the number from 1 to 5, and percentage I and num. So we will ask the user to add, we ask the user to add input, to add some number. So and check, and let's, so we have asked the user uh, to add some number from 1 to 5, and let's say we want to check what the user have added. So we can use this switch statement and find out. Switch, okay, and let's remove this. And we need to, under inside this switch, inside this bracket, you need to add the variable, or you can directly, you need to add variable. The variable is num. Check case, if the user have added 1, case 1, number is 1. Okay, and you have to break. It won't run. uh, if you use this break, the program won't run. It will, here the program will be stopped. Okay, so if case 2, number is 2. So I think you have got some idea. I'm writing case 1, case 2. That means this 1 is the number, okay, the value of the variable. Break case. So I will report this one. Will do better. I will copy the copy paste. 1 2 case 3. Number is 2 8 3. Case 4 then 4. Number case 5. Number is and since we have asked user to add number from 1 to 5, okay, if other than if the user had entered a number other than 1 to 5, we need to tell that it is an invalid number. So we can do this by using default keyword, default. Okay, printf invalid number and break. Okay, so let's run and check. Let's run our code. Enter the number from 1 to 5. Let's say we let 1. Number is 1. Okay, again, so it is running properly. Let's say the number is 5. Okay, even it is running, so this code is running properly. So let's say uh, we will add we will type number out of the number which is out of 1 to 5, other than 1 to 5. So we'll enter number from 1 to 5. So here we will add 6. See, it is giving us invalid number. So this is how switch statement works. We'll check one more example. Enter the number from 1 to 5. Let's say 10, invalid number. Okay, so this is how we can use switch keyword. So this was about the theory part and how we can use conditional statement. In next video we'll try to solve some problem. Okay, we'll come with some problem and we'll try to solve. And on that video, after practicing some problem, we will have an experience and we'll have a good experience on this. Thank you.